Welcome to this demo of Hopted and our Amazon connectors for Google Sheets. First off, what is Hopted? If you're an Amazon seller or an agency helping sellers, you most probably use spreadsheets for everything. Listing management, inventory, orders, ads, accounting, you name it. Hopted brings your live Amazon data directly into those spreadsheets. It's the simplest way to get all your Amazon seller information into Google Sheets automatically. Our connectors link directly to Seller Central, Vendor Central, and your Amazon Ads accounts, pulling everything you need right into your custom sheets. First, you'll need to install the Hopted browser extension, just as you would for apps like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. Visit Hopted.com and click Try in the top right corner. The Chrome Web Store will open, where you can install Hopted into your browser. Once it's installed, you'll see a Hopted button in your Google Sheets. Click Hopted and sign in using your Google account. Congrats and welcome to Hopted. Instead of asking for access to your whole Google Drive, Hopted just needs permission to run in a particular spreadsheet. So grant editor permissions to the email address you're seeing on the screen, just as you'd normally share your spreadsheet with a teammate. Hopted gives you 3 paths to pull your Amazon data into custom spreadsheets. First, you can build a custom report from scratch, picking every data point yourself. Second, you can use our AI. Just describe what you want to build in plain language, and it will set it up for you. And third, you can start instantly by using one of our pre-built solution templates like FBA Fee Tracker or Profitability Analysis. Let's do a deep dive on each of those paths. I'll start with AI. Simply tell our AI what you need in plain language. Just describe your business problem, your end goal, and the main attributes you'd like to see. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Hopted AI will build ready-to-use views filled with information pulled directly from your Amazon seller accounts. Next up, let's look at the Hopted ready-to-use solution templates. Pre-made templates are a great way to get started with Hopted. Our spreadsheet templates contain ready-to-use solutions for everyday Amazon business problems. Simply pick a template, click Use Solution, and select which Amazon account to connect. Hopted will automatically add new tabs to your spreadsheet. In these new tabs, you'll find your ready-to-use reports, populated with live data pulled directly from your Amazon account. Chances are you or your teammates already have some existing spreadsheets for your Amazon stores. In this case, creating custom automated imports is a great way to feed live Amazon data into your own spreadsheets. Click on New Live Data Sync. You'll be guided through a 4-step process of creating your own automated tabs. Select the Amazon accounts and marketplaces from which Hopted will pull data into spreadsheets. Then you'll have to select reports to fetch data from and the attributes that you need. Those attributes will ultimately become the columns in your spreadsheet. My tab will contain information about my active listings, so I'll select Active Listings. From the active listings, I'll choose a few columns. I can also use a search bar to find the necessary information, so I'll search for that. Then I'll select a Sales and Traffic Business Report for the last 30 days range and add my sales figure for each product line item. And from the Restock Inventory Report, I'll add the available inventory quantity. Notice how easily Hopted allowed me to combine information from 3 independent reports: active listings, sales and traffic, and the restock report, that normally live in Amazon under its own seller account or under its own marketplace. I'll hit Next twice and proceed straight to the window, where you can configure how often Hopted needs to refresh the information from Amazon. I'm fine with once every few hours. And just like that, we've created our own custom automated report, which pulls info directly from our Amazon accounts. The Hopted Sidebar is your central entry point into Hopted. Everything you've seen demonstrated so far is accessible through the sidebar, including Solve with AI, pre-made solutions, and start from scratch by clicking on the New Live Data Sync button. The sidebar also provides information about your current automations, if any, and access to the settings at the bottom. Hopted's Live Data Sync works with your custom changes without blocking Google Sheets' infinite customization possibilities. Go ahead and rearrange columns, sort and filter, apply custom formatting, or even add new columns right in the middle for your own manual notes. When your data refreshes, Hopted intelligently updates only the specific cells synced from Amazon. Your custom notes, new columns, and formatting are left completely untouched. You get live, automated data with total spreadsheet freedom. Hopted allows you to automate your data imports from your Amazon store. This means you can set how often the data updates in your Google Sheets, keeping it in sync with your Amazon account. In the tab where Hopted pulls in data, open the Hopted Sidebar, select your automation, and click Edit. From there, you have multiple options to choose from. Depending on your business requirements and your Hopted subscription plan, you can set scheduled refreshes from every few minutes to less frequent intervals. Then simply confirm your changes and you'll see your data start updating according to your new refresh schedule. Hopted also allows you to create what are called calculated columns. These are new columns you can add that are transformations or combinations of other columns from a row. It's easy to create your own. Simply select a custom data source and click the Add button next to the formula column from the All Available Fields preview. In this case, I want to create a calculated column showing the referral fee percentage Amazon takes on every item sold. So let's name it Referral Fee Percent, and then we can write out our formula. You can see the columns available to you from a dropdown. In fact, you can use any column from any Amazon report. In my case, I'll type equals referral fee divided by price. Now, this is the powerful part. Notice what Hopted is doing in the background. The referral fee and price attributes normally live in two different reports at Amazon. Hopted is doing the heavy lifting of finding and joining them for you, so you can use them in one simple formula. Let's save changes to this sync and see the result. So, just like that, you can create totally new insights for your Amazon business. Even when Amazon doesn't provide the specific data information you need, you can now build it yourself by simply combining different attributes in a single formula.